Good day, Sheldon Needle speaking to you from CTS Guides. My topic today is cloud computing. There are two essential flavors of cloud computing. One is hosted software that you own that's unique to your business, which you can modify and customize as you see fit. The difference is that instead of having it installed on your premises, you have the software hosted by a remote computer that the vendor provides. So that's one form of cloud computing. The second is true cloud computing, which is also known as SaaS, software as a service. This is software that is written to run over the web and has all the functions and capabilities to optimize the capabilities of the internet. This software is hosted by the vendor themselves, and you access the data, store the data, and all the program code is running entirely over the web. The advantage of cloud computing for many people boils down to this. First of all, if you have to buy new software, it's less likely that you'll need new PCs and a new server if you go with a cloud computing solution, because the software is not running on your premises. Secondly, you may be able to save on network costs because you won't need a network administrator to do as much work as you would on an on-premise system. Now, much is made of the cost savings on cloud computing because you don't have to worry about the hardware or the network administration. And instead of buying the software outright, you're really kind of renting it over a period of time. You're going to pay a monthly fee according to the number of users on the system, and that monthly fee will include an annual maintenance cost as well. These fees are typically charged to a customer on an annual basis, and with a cloud solution they're charged monthly. Now, you're still going to incur the same training costs and data conversion and setup costs as you would with an on-premise system with a cloud system. So there's really no savings there. But you can finance the cost of the software itself over a period of time, even with cloud. Now, the potential downside for companies who have unique requirements is that when you buy a cloud system, there's only a single version of the software that everybody uses. Your ability to modify that system around your workflows and any custom functionality that you might need are severely limited because you're running one single version of the software, the same as everybody else who buys it from that software as a service vendor. So that's another thing to keep in mind. Also, after a 5-year period, the savings that you will enjoy by renting the software every month over a period of years will catch up with you, because by then you'll have fully paid for what would have been a outright purchase of an on-premise system, and you'll have to continually pay for that software indefinitely. So those are the principal issues to keep in mind. There's a lot to be said about cloud, especially if you have remote locations and you have people who need access from different places. But there's no clear-cut advantage of one over the other. It has to be decided on a case-by-case basis. Thank you for listening today, and have a great rest of the day.